Good morning. My name is Dr. Minaroya, Assistant Professor in Region College of Pharmacy, and this is my video for the E-content in Deep Shila Kala Sanstha. Today's topic is cell injury, which is in B.Pharm second semester Pathophysiology. Now, what is cell injury? Cell injury simply means a loss of function of cell activity. Loss of function. Cell injury does not mean that a cell is damaged or the cell wall or the cell membrane is not working or it is destroyed. It simply means the function of the cell is lost. Since cell contains many organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, vacuole, and these are some names of the cell organelles present in a cell, and each organelle performs a different function. Like mitochondria produces ATP, which is also known as energy. Ribosome produces protein, so it is a food source. Cytoplasm contains electrolytes and water, which is essential for any living being. Endoplasmic reticulum produces lipids and protein, which is also a food source. Golgi body packs and vacuums stores. Now, as we can see, each organelle performs a different function which is essential for the living being. During cell injury, any of these organelles can perform badly or the function is lost. Suppose there is a mitochondrial damage. Now, mitochondrial damage can occur due to many things, like it can occur from physical injury or calcium deposits in the cisterine. It can lead to the loss of energy, which leads to free radical formation, and it can lead to lipid peroxidation. This lipid peroxidation can damage the plasma membrane. So, if mitochondria is damaged due to any reason, it can lead to the damage of plasma membrane, and if the plasma membrane is not present, then there is nothing to protect cell from any other etiology. Suppose there is a damage in ribosomes. It can lead to loss of proteins And if there is a loss of protein, then there will be no food reservoir, which can lead to cell membrane damage, which was same for mitochondrial damage. Suppose there is a centriole damage. Centriole performs production of tubulin, which forms cytoskeleton, which is the basic component structure of any cell. So suppose there is a centriole damage, it can lead to structural compromise of cell. So you can see the cell injury does not mean there is a physical damage to a cell. It means there is a loss of function in a cell, and each organelle can perform a cell injury. Now, coming to the types of cell injury. There are basically two types of cell injury, which depends on the amount of stress. If the stress is normal, it can result in reversible cell injury, which can follow two pathways. One is healing and repair. Next is cellular adaptation. If the stress is drastic, or the amount of stress is so high that a cell cannot comprehend healing and repair or cellular adaptation, it can lead to irreversible cell injury. It can only lead to death of the cell. Coming to the cell death types and cellular adaptation types. Cell death is of three types. One is necrosis, second is apoptosis, and last is autolysis. Cellular adaptation is of five types: atrophy, hypertrophy, metaplasia, dysplasia, and hyperplasia. Now, what are these cell death and cellular adaptations? We will discuss it in the next class. But coming to the cell injury, we will still have to discuss the etiology. And what are the etiology? Firstly, what does etiology means? Etiology means cause, और in हिंदी we will say कारण. किस कारण की वजह से सेल इंजरी हुई थी? The etiology contains number one, physical agents. Physical agents like temperature, atmosphere, any trauma, something like that. Next is chemical agents. Chemicals simply means like your cigarettes, alcohol, pesticides, insecticides, weedicides, your strong acids and bases. Next cause is microorganisms. You know, like bacteria, virus, fungi, rickettsia, something like in these categories. Next is immunological agents. Like antibodies, vaccines, and other things. Next is genetic causes, which includes family history or any other mutation. Next is our disease. You know, like asthma, COPD, lung cancer, and last is a homeostatic imbalance. Now these can be due to any cause. It can be due to these causes or it can be due to your homeostatic imbalance. It includes hormone imbalance, enzymes imbalance, so these are the causes of any cell injury. Thank you.